Hey guys, I want to do a quick review um, on this water distiller that I bought on Amazon. Now, this unit here, there is a lot of very similar units on the market that are going to have this general kind of size and shape. And I got to tell you, I am very, very disappointed in this. Just very disappointed. I'm just going to kind of show you how it plugs together. So this top part plugs into the bottom here, like so. And it comes with this water tank thingy. And you literally just hold it like so, and the water dribbles out. So here's my main issue with this device. I'm just going to go through in no particular order. One, it is very cheaply made. That doesn't mean it doesn't work, but it is very cheaply made. It has a single cooling coil that wraps all the way around here. So it's a very simple device. It heats on the bottom. The steam, there's no pump or anything like that. The steam just comes up through the pressure it creates into this one cooling coil, and there's a fan that spins, and that's it. So here's my main complaint. Number one, the water is not tasteless, meaning it does not taste like the commercially available distilled water. This to me has literally no taste. This does leave a little bit of an aftertaste. It's not terrible, but it is there. And so that already is kind of a deal breaker for me. And this is subjective, right? I mean, some people may not even notice it, whatever. The second thing is, it is terribly slow. This has to warm up for about 20 minutes before it even starts to work. And when I say it starts to work, I mean it is dribbling. I mean it's like a dripping faucet. I mean it is painfully slow. And because it's so slow, in the back of my mind, I'm thinking, okay, we've got a heating element here that's going to be running for hours. So it will take hours, I mean literally hours, to fill up this jug. Not a half hour, not an hour, not 2 hours, several hours. This is kind of an all-day event. So the speed is a no-go. That's too damn slow. And lastly, in the back of my mind, I'm thinking, okay, if we have a heating element running here and a fan running here for hours on end, this thing's got to be, using quite a bit of power. I mean, it's got to be using quite a bit of wattage. So when you factor in the price of the unit, you are paying for water. I know it's cheap, but you are paying for it. And what you're paying in electricity, which will vary quite a bit where you live, I got to tell you, I've come to the conclusion that this is 100% not worth it. I'm going to go to a water filter. The reason I bought this is because I really like to use distilled water, specifically making coffee. I think coffee tastes so much better if you brew it with distilled water. I may keep this because I have seen a lot of videos on people distilling things that are not recommended to be distilled, like Jägermeister or Coca-Cola, or different kinds of syrupy drinks, dark liquids that you can boil, get some of this distillate out of it and have fun with it, just kind of as a toy, as an interesting kind of experiment. But I got to tell you, this is 2 thumbs down for me. This is the construction. Like I said, they all pretty much look the same. Very, very cheaply designed. I mean, it works, okay? It does function, but it's just such a chintzy design, And then it's got this thing in here, like, look at this. I mean, it's just a very cheaply designed piece. So yeah, this is a 2 thumbs down. You can get these for anywhere from 40 to like 140 on Amazon, and they all work exactly the same way. They're going to look slightly different, different colors, whatever, but they work all exactly the same way. So this is my review. I'm not going to bother firing this thing up. Like I said, it takes a half hour for it to even start working, and I just don't want to mess with it. But I've definitely given this a fair try. I've ran it about 3 or 4 times now and thoroughly dissatisfied. So if you want a water distiller, do not buy one of these. I think it's a total waste of money. Thanks.